y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Hold on. All right, for today's video, we are heading down to, actually heading up. We're heading up to Fred's house because I don't like the way, well, I took the bezel out. I had like a bezel here with my gauges. They're all on the floor over there if you guys can see. So instead of having my, yeah, you guys see the, yep, I know. So I like it like this, and I'm gonna just run my gauges right here and right there. I no longer need that adjuster for my cluster because, well, I have no cluster lights besides, you know, the dash now. Well, the digital dash. So I'm gonna go to Fred's house. We're gonna bore these holes bigger so I can run my gauges through there. And yeah, it's just a simple little fix so I can have, you know, full view of that beautiful cluster thing right there, baby. Ooh, yeah. So that is pretty much what's going on right now. I think that's pretty much it, man. We're gonna head over to Fred's crib and just BS and relax for the day. And also, my podcast with Frank just dropped. Well, it dropped today. It didn't just drop. You know what I mean? But yeah, if you guys want to listen to my podcast about what's been going on in my personal life and other things, it's such a good podcast. It's full of substance. It's just amazing. If you have 3 hours or 30 minutes or 10 minutes to just listen to me and Frank have an honest and open discussion about life and, you know, what we go through on the daily and what I continue to go through and, you know, all that stuff. Link down below to Downtime with Downstars YouTube channel, episode 162 or 163 for the Zosh podcast. Thank you. I don't know, dog. I don't think I could ever get over this display. It just looks so cool, bro. It's so cool. God damn. All right, so I've been at Fred's house for like 10 minutes and got all the stuff I needed off. Right here I had the, where I put them? Not this, but this right here, I no longer need this because, well, like I said, I got the dash, and the other piece, which I have no idea where it went, is like a cruise control block off plate, so I don't no longer need that. And I'm gonna bore these things out bigger so these gauges can fit snug right there and there. I am getting the piece from Mark from Honda Street Garage to go to where the clock at, but I'm way too impatient right now and I need to do something because I don't want to be home. So yeah, what do you do when you don't want to be home? You figure out things that work on your car, and I don't know, I hope this quarantine stuff that we're going through all together is making you like not be lazy and give you motivation to work on your car. I hope so. It should. It's doing that to me. Well, I have the X series gauges, which means this ain't gonna work. If I want it to work, it's gonna, my dash gonna be clapped, and I can't have that, bro. I can't have it. What Fred quickly realized is that, you know, this on the X series gauges, it's simpler than like what it used to be. Like it's less, it's like a less is more type ordeal. The previous gauge design was a bit longer so it can like pop in. This is so short that like I would have to bore all of this out instead of just boring the inside out. So that really ain't gonna work. So I am gonna have to wait until the pods come from Mark from Honda Street Garage so I can put them where my clock is. God dang it. Wah, wah, wah. Oh, look at Fred being the YouTuber guy that he is. Oh, man, Fred, bruh. So, quick update. I didn't film for like the past hour, but I finally have my center console hazard button finally in, and it works, but the thing is clapped. Like, this sensor is like trash. But yeah, I got that taken care of. Mark, the homie Mark from Honda Street Garage, is on his way down from Orlando to drop off the pod and pick up some injectors from Randy's house. So I'm gonna finally have my interior looking so much better. I just gotta buy seats. Put the red seat into the RSX and then buy 2 blue seats for the car. So I'm gonna have the blue seats match my blue valve cover that's over at D&H Powder Coating. And yeah, dog, it's coming together, bruh. Fred's car back on the road since the last video. You know what I mean? He fixed his coolant leak, washed it, no more coolant. Boy, nice. How did that O-ring fit? It fit snug right in there? Yeah, it's weird.
I locked out that bit too.
What?
Yeah.
That ain't never coming back out.
I'm gonna Loctite every goddamn thing, man.
I don't know. Well, you shouldn't Loctite that prop.
I'm gonna Loctite everything, man. You wanna see what happened? You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, quick side. I forgot. My mount bolts came loose, dog. This bolt was loose. This one was loose, and Fred pointed it out. I didn't even know. We was cleaning the engine bay or whatever, or about to clean it, and he noticed that the damn thing was loose. K-series vibration is a real thing. It's a real thing. Make sure you keep all your bolts tight. Know what I mean? It ain't like B-series. If you're coming from B-series or H-series or D-series to a K-series, just know, just go like every, once a week, maybe twice a month or something. Check your
that shit.
facts, bruh. Check it. That's all you gotta do. Just check. Just now leaving Fred's. Gonna go to Randy's and then find those injectors if he found them, and then meet up with, well, Mark's coming to either Randy's or my house. I don't know yet. But yeah, that's what we doing right now, baby. Ooh. Come quick. One, two. So they probably in there. They probably fell out the bag then. All right. Injector. You found one, bitch. There's one in here. We got one injector. We gotta find the other three from Mr. Mark from 100th Street Garage. There go another one. There go. I see a two. That's two. Three.
I took out the O-rings off of them.
Damn, we need one more, bitch. We need one more. Where that mug went at, bruh? Fuel injector. You think it probably would have fell through the...
Probably.
Alright, check one of these bad real quick. I'm gonna put y'all on pause real quick. So I'm gonna pause the video and come back to you. I wanna see how they react to a white guy. Oh, never mind.
You got a party going on there? Yep.
Never mind. I thought it was gonna be like, oh, in that bomba cloud it is.
Stop blasting music like you want to.
You can't play music in the neighborhood.
Yeah, they'll call the police.
They can call the police.
Woo, we riding off in the sunset, baby.
You can't see anything right now.
Watch, when I edit this video, you're gonna see us both. So we're on our way to the homie Sean's place because he actually have the injector that we need. I couldn't find it at Randy's house. We couldn't find it. So now we's on the way to Hope Sound. Hope Sound's a little farther than I anticipated.
Whole sound.
It's a little far, baby. And I'm kind of hungry. You know what I mean? Sun smell real good. I gotta leave the tag here. Tag's parked there. And lock this shit up real quick. Nah, I mean, I can't have people trying to. So, the pickup from last night, bro, a lot has happened in the past, I don't know, 12, 14, maybe 15 hours since I held the camera. I literally crashed a car, but luckily nothing's broken. The reason why Mark came down yesterday, wasn't just for injectors. Well, actually it was. But he also dropped off my new gauge pod. This OG quad pod right here, this sits like that. So now I'm gonna get rid of my clock because I no longer need it. Boom. And then this sits like, without the harness being in the way, it sits like that. So my sensors are now gonna read up there. So the hell yeah. The tricky part about doing this is I gotta fish these wires. Well, it's not tricky, but it's gonna be kind of a pain in the ass because the way that this wire goes through the side, the OEM wire, it probably won't even focus. I know it's not focusing. Oh God, it goes through the side over there somewhere. So I have to figure out how I'm gonna fish those wires. Man, I don't know. I probably gotta take the car outside. So I can get on that side, open the door, and fully extend my muscular warfare. Fun fact about warfare, I suck at Warzone. Yeah, I'm just, I don't know, dude. Like, I just suck. That's just what it is. Like, I don't know, dude. I suck. Big time. Pause.
Yo, Mario, move up with the fisherman talking.
All right. So as you guys can see, I pushed the car outside, and for great measure, I got more space, and you guys can see how I did this. So it's pretty easy since everything in my underneath or in front of my dashboard is all like, I don't know, easy to navigate. I don't have like the heater core or, you know, none of that crap. It was just easy to just send it all the wires right up there, as you guys can see. All I have to do now is get some 3M tape so I can tape it down. But make sure everything works. As you guys can see, we're all good. I got the O2 here and the oil sensor there. And that's it, baby. All right, so as you guys see, my door panels, it's kind of clapped. I don't like this all stuff right here. I got new ones over there, so I'm gonna swap this out and that one out for the new panels I picked up months ago at from Austin that works at Hybrid Racing. So I'm finally gonna install the new panels, make the interior come together today, man. All I need is seats, really. That's all I need is some seats, brother. That's all I really need, dog. But for now, swap out these panels and yeah, cause bro, like I do want to fix this again. I gotta paint this cause I don't have a door thing. This is just clapped, like yeah. All right, and this is my nasty door. Yup, gross. But here is the old door panel. What I think I'm gonna do, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and paint this now while it's off. Mine is the sand. I don't know where the sand came from, but this door panel is in mint condition. Very mint condition. Gotta get off of that damn sand, but it's all mint. Man, just gotta put it on. Simple, 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 simple. I really wish I had black paint, man. Look how, ugh, this is so trash, dog. So trash. But I found some paint and I painted it. Well, I actually, if this looks trash, it's because I didn't sand it and stuff. But this one on the bottom, I sanded it because I painted it first without sanding and it looked like crap. It was having a nasty reaction to it. So I sanded it and painted it. And now it looks better. So now I'm gonna slap on the new panels and we should be good, baby. Yeah, now the sun's coming back out. God damn. Can't tell me my neighbor ain't fly. Ooh wee. Yes sir. Yes sir. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I don't know what's going on with my oil pressure sensor, but oh shit, that was a cop. But yeah, that looks so much better. Like, look how nice that looks. Like, what? That boy Zosh got that interior looking on fleek. That boy look good. That boy look good for real. Yeah. I'm on my way to Randy's house so I can get some 3M tape so I can button that down and see what Randy's wife done cooked for the family today. She told me to slide. So I'm finna slide. Hopefully there's some food, bruh. I'm hungry. You know what I mean? My mom stopped cooking for me when I was 12. She said, you grown enough to make your own decisions. I was like, damn, for real, Mom? And she was like, hell yeah, nigga, you old. I was like, yeah. I got to Randy's house and I tried to diagnose my bad oil pressure. Like, why is it not like reading? It's just saying sensor. And I'm sure that the sensor is crapped out, like it failed on me. Which sucks balls because, bro, man, come on, dog. How? Come on, man. I've only had, I've probably had this for a minute now. I don't know how long I had the sensor, but damn, my wideband is still good. My wideband gauge is still good. And my oil pressure sensor is bad? Like, what? Home sweet home without a working door speaker. I realized that my passenger side door speaker wiring is all cut up, and I need to find an OEM door so I can cut off that harness, plug and all that stuff to use it. And my AEM's oil pressure sensor is not working. I only had it since November, which that sucks, bro. Like, I just got it. I already know AEM has a bad name when it comes to like gauges, how they crap out so fast, but my wideband's still good. I just don't like that my oil pressure is bad now, but that's okay. That's gonna get fixed with either the claim service from AEM or me just buying a replacement sensor. Ain't no bad blood. I mean, stuff goes wrong all the time. I don't know how that one went bad, but it's all good. I ain't complaining. Nah, I mean, it is what it is, player. But from there, man, that's gonna do it for this video. The interior's looking decent. I literally almost crashed the car and died trying to film a pool. Idiot. But I filmed the pool. And yeah, that's just the day in the life. Today is Tuesday, today is BOGO, so I'm going to Buffalo Wild Wings tonight to get me some rub. And yeah, dog, that's pretty much it. We're gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I would close the video out in the room, but man, I want to get this video up and uploaded before the 11 o'clock. Probably have it uploaded by like Zosh MFG Worldwide Essentials t-shirts are now available, so restock. That been moving stickers are restocked. I put in an order for air fresheners so they can be restocked too. I got all the. I'm restocking pretty much everything, so you know, be a one-stop shop for it all and bring us some new products as well. So with all that being said, thank you guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.